Hello guys and welcome back to the Crazy Hands channel, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a bag handle. Uh, as you can see, this hand paddle has a semicircle form, and it will be perfect for the small bags as well for the large market bags. As well, you can make them shorter or longer. Crochet in 2 strands of yarn if you want to make them thicker and not transparent. So it's up to you. There are many options. They're really so cute and can be sewed onto any crochet purse. If you are ready, let's get started. So take t-shirt yarn or the yarn which you're going to use for the back handle. I'm using here 9mm crochet hook. So this is a thinner t-shirt yarn, so I would recommend if you're using like soft yarn, t-shirt yarn, to crochet in 2 strands of yarn. So make a slip knot and chain to make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now insert the hook into the second bar. The second bar was done when you made the yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch. So like this you repeat again into the second, insert the hook into the second bar and make a single crochet, and again into the second and make a single crochet. Doing this all the way, you will get that round semicircle shape like this. As you can see, the back handle is a little bit transparent. You can see some folds, and that is because this yarn that I'm using, the light one, is really soft. Don't remember the name of this yarn, but if you're going to use the soft t-shirt yarn, it will be better if you crochet in 2 strands of yarn together. And I'm going on crocheting into the second bar and making single crochet like this. Go on until you reach desired length and desired form. I hope guys this video was useful for you, and you're going to use this uh, handle for your crochet bags and purses. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave comments if you have any questions, and see you soon. Bye.